Good morning, good afternoon. Today's July 30th, Monday, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Alright, so past 2 weeks, there's a little bit of confusion. I have some things to do, and and I release one of these commentaries a little bit later. It might be a way for me to move forward in the future where I give my closer followers earlier access to my commentaries, and then the general audience would get it a little bit later. So that may be something to better engage my closer followers, so to speak. All right, looking at the markets right now. All right, so there's a lot of uncertainty, or like being like aware about something can come out the left field very quickly in this volatile geopolitical economic situation. If you follow the news, you know what I'm talking about. So anything could be coming out the left or the right field very quickly and affecting the markets real fast. So if you follow the news, that is brewing for a long time and really come to a head in the near future. All right, everybody should be a little bit aware of that. You see these limited volatility is to await anything out of the ordinary. You see the oil going back to 70 after reaching to around 67, 66. So you see this is like something of concerning matter. Oil, I mean, they're marketing the headlines, ignoring the facts that the United States has dwarfed all major producers of oil, and the sideways drilling has been replacing the vertical drilling and have been producing a lot more oil. All right, so there's a talk of tariffs being implemented on every side. So we see how it develops, and this is one of the smaller components of something coming out of nowhere and affecting the market can be do very quickly. I see Tesla. Well, in 12 months, you are correct, 12 to 18 months, there would be a number of competitive electric vehicles coming out. More recently, Porsche came out with an all-electric sports car. It's already out. Honda came out with a Honda Clarity. That's all electric for limited mileage, and then switches to gasoline. All right. So there'll be many more coming out in the future, including Ford, Toyota RAV4, all electric. All right, AMD, one of the good stocks out there. With graphics cards that does a lot of things for AI and crypto. So there's a lot of good things to be coming forth in AMD. Yes, like I mentioned previously many times, gold has lost its old school values in the modern economy with modern techniques and technology. Like I mentioned before, I haven't seen anybody, male or female, with a well-educated background wear gold in public. like general public. So um, because if you do that in any city, you're just asking for criminality, where they may rip the chain off your neck or threaten violence to get your gold. So nobody really wears gold out in the public that much. All right, so I mean the physicality of store value is changing in this modern economy, where the store value can be conceptualized now from just physical heavy gold to paper money to credit cards with their symbols and information to software. The evolution of store value is changing rapidly, and gold is the old school stuff. All right, that's that a little bit. All right, let's go to business. So you see, like a lot of manufacturers that use steel are looking into raising prices. I mean, that's fine. Like, if you look at consumer reports, certain European brands forces the buyer to pay double or triple for maintenance. So it's no big deal if like these guys are used to paying fake mileage and closed systems of the car systems, and then because of the brand they're willing to pay double and triple for maintenance. It's really no big deal because you're paying double and triple for maintenance. McDonald's doing very well in the stocks. I have featured in the past. I have faith in good confidence in the new CEO, not the old one. So, like I mentioned before, Amazon, the services has been hitting a bad spot. Deliveries are becoming late. The reviews are limited now, so nobody can give negative reviews. And it seems like if you do that, the reviews are fake. Um, I don't know. It seems like they're being like something's going on with Amazon. They're hiring a lot of unqualified people, um, taking over decision making in the lower level, and it's affecting customer service and products delivery. It will eventually affect them. A lot of people I know and myself are going to other websites like Newegg, Walmart, eBay, Target, and so forth like that because the services has hit an inflection point or something where some like bogus guys has taken over some top position. Like probably they're under like a diversity attack right now or something. They don't know how to handle it, like Walmart does. All right, so keeping it brief today. Um, Today's Monday, July 30th, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Something on note, I do have Chinese business follower, and some of them decided to buy out Germany's robotics firm after I feature these robotics arms and robotics in my supercar music video listed below. I also have Indian followers. After the data video where I feature Amazon a little bit over a year and a half ago when it was 600 and 700 bucks a share, India's Modi went for a big hug on Amazon. Something I also know, I did mention to the Hong Kong government about land filling to help them effectively grow their economy and better protect their liberties in the future. I did get an answer, and since last November, when I initially mentioned it, they're actually making concrete steps to get Q&A from the public about the future planning of actually do more landfilling. And I think they should do it more quickly now and have a more long-term planning, where if they have a long-term planning on landfilling, they don't need to rush into buying the raw material at a bad price. If they have a long-term planning, they can catch good pricing during good times, good pricing times, so they don't have to be gouged on the raw materials. All right, so that's 3 of my sometimes actionable commentaries, and today's Monday, July 30th, 2018, and we're doing the morning business head-on commentary. Happy trading, everybody. Happy summer celebration.